Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atineke. So I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this gorgeous goddess crochet braid. I've already done the DIY crochet braid on my channel before. The video is up, but I'm showing you guys that have not seen how I achieved this gorgeous goddess braid. So that is why I insert a little clip for you to see how I achieve this gorgeous crochet braid before I start installing. So you can see what I'm doing. I cut my xpression braiding hair into 3, then I pick the root out, then I start brushing. After that, I use this hair cream. I rub it on the body of the hair because we won't be dipping this hair into the hot water, so we must make sure we allow the hair to be smooth as much as we can. So I use my Brazilian wool. I wrap it around my clothing rack. This is what we are going to use to achieve the knots. Now this is the coily hair I use. It's an xpression hair also. I love using this coily hair on my channel always. Then I will take a little, and I will take a little amount of xpression hair also. Then make sure you twist the roots before you start braiding, because that is what will make your crochet to be very easier for you to crochet on your hair. Without you achieving the roots, you won't actually get the crochet hair. It won't fit perfectly on your hair. You are going to see what I'm trying to say towards the end of the video. Now I'm going to take my coily hair, small amount, then I'll add it to the hair I'm braiding, then I'll braid it down. I'll remove the coils I want to be left out, then I'll braid the remaining one. I'll braid it down. So I'm going to show you guys again before we start crocheting on our hair. Twist the root. Make sure you twist it, then crisscross it, then start braiding. Section the hair into 3, then start braiding. That is what will make you achieve perfect knots that will give you the loop for the crocheting, so you can crochet on your hair better. Then I start braiding. When I reach towards where I want to add the coils, I'll add it, then I will keep braiding. Then I'm going to remove the coils I want to be left out, then I'll start braiding the remaining down. Make sure you allow this crochet hair to be neat as much as you can, because we are not going to be dipping it inside the hot water because of the coils. So after I'm done doing that, let's start crocheting. Wow, this crochet hair, oh my god, it's giving me vibe. Can you tell? Okay, let's start crocheting. Then I really like the method I use for my braids. If you've not seen that, I have how you can actually achieve this cornrow method on one of my video on my channel, so I have it. You can check it out. Then I keep crocheting can you see? This is what I'm talking about, that you have to achieve the loop. That will make your work easier. If you don't achieve the loop, I don't know how you're going to crochet this perfectly fine on your hair. Then I keep crocheting the final look of this hair. Just keep on watching, keep on watching. Oh my god, I fell in love with this hair. This hair came out so mwah, mwah. So I keep crocheting. I love to crochet the front of my hair first before I start crocheting the back, so that I'm going to use the leftover to cover the back. I can't crochet the back first, then then use the remaining one. How will I put it? It's better for you to crochet the front first, then use the remaining one to cover the back. That will be better for you. So can you see how this hair is already coming out so beautiful? We are not done yet. You are looking like a chick. So now we are going to crochet the back. I'll just do normal crocheting, nothing more, just crocheting the back. So after we are done crocheting the back, okay, the final look, then we are going to use water to spray the hair because of the coils. You have to do that so that the coils will come out so pumpy. Then I'll use mousse just to make the coil come out more and more. Then after I'm done doing that, you know, this is not my first time of talking about this product on my channel. Always add some shine to add some shine. Now see the final look. This hair came out so mwah. I can't stop touching the hair. I can't stop, as in my hand was just all over the hair, just showing you the length, how the roots looks like. This hair came out so beautiful. You can style this anyhow you like, rock this hair anyhow you like. Can you see? This hair is so big. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Keep on watching. I'm going to still show you how you can rock this hair in another way. Then I'll show you what the back looks like. So thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the love. I really appreciate your support and love so much. Your support and love means a lot to me. Keep supporting, keep liking, keep sharing. Thank you so much for watching my video always. I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed always.